In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Photos to an external hard drive. This is a great way to keep an offline copy of your photo library, especially if you want extra protection beyond cloud storage. The process is straightforward, but it can take some time depending on how large your Google Photos library is, so it helps to know what to expect before you begin. First, connect your external hard drive to your computer. You can use either an external HDD or SSD, and it should appear in your File Explorer or desktop once it's recognized. Make sure the drive has enough free space for your photo library, since backups can be quite large if you've been using Google Photos for a long time. Next, go to Google Takeout, which is Google's official tool for downloading your data. When the page opens, uncheck all options first so you're not exporting anything unnecessary. Then scroll down until you find Google Photos and check the box next to it. This tells Google that you only want to export your photo and video library, which helps keep the backup focused and easier to manage. After that, choose how you want the files delivered. Select the option to receive a download link by email. For the export frequency, choose export once if you just want a one-time backup. Then look at the file type and size settings. Zip is usually the easiest format for most people to work with. You can also increase the file size limit, for example, to 50 gigabytes, which can reduce the number of separate files you'll need to download later. Once everything looks right, click Create Export. Now you'll need to wait for Google to prepare your files. This can happen quickly for smaller libraries, but for larger collections, it may take hours or even days. When the email arrives, open it and click Manage Export. From there, download the zip files directly to your connected external hard drive. Saving them straight to the drive can help you avoid using up space on your computer. Once the downloads are finished, open your external hard drive and locate the downloaded zip files. Right-click each one and choose Extract All to unpack the contents. This step gives you access to the actual photo and video folders instead of keeping everything compressed. After extraction is complete, your Google Photos backup will be stored on the external drive. It's a good idea to leave the drive connected until everything finishes fully, including both the download and extraction stages, so nothing gets interrupted. And that's it. You now have a local backup of your Google Photos library on your external hard drive.